This book is called It's Raining, It's Pouring. As a song, this was performed for many years by the singing group Peter, Paul, and Mary. This book recaptures their performance. It was illustrated by Christine Davenier. It's easy to find the website for Christine Davenier. She is a French illustrator of great renown. After her adolescence, she studied for 2 years at the Rhode Island School of Design and became familiar with America. And she has worked both in the United States and in France as an illustrator for many years now. She lives in Paris. Peter, Paul, and Mary were Peter Yarrow, Noel Paul Stuckey, and Mary Travers. When Mary Travers was alive, the three of them performed together all across America, and there's still a website dedicated to their music and their career, peterpaulandmary.com. It's raining, it's pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring, bumped his head and went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. Hey, I got an idea. We could all play hide and go seek inside. Now everybody hide, and I'll be it. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, bumped his head and he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon, It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, bumped his head and he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Won't be my father's Jack, no, I won't be my mother's Jill. I'll be a fiddler's wife and fiddle when I will. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, bumped his head and he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day, 85, 90, 95, 100. Anyone round my base is it? Here I come, ready or not. Ollie, ollie, in free. If you have a grown-up with you or an older brother or sister, they might want to read to you all this extra information about the artist, about the singing group, or about the book. But they might just want to read it back to you themselves, or play some of these games. You can see their picture on this page. Peter Yarrow and Noel Paul Stuckey are two of the people who used to perform in Peter, Paul, and Mary. These two men still travel around the country and sing some of these wonderful songs for audiences of all ages. Maybe they're coming to a place near you. Do your own search and you will be able to find more than a couple versions of Peter, Paul, and Mary performing the song It's Raining, It's Pouring. It's worth looking for. This is the book that they're sharing with us. It's called It's Raining, It's Pouring, performed by Peter, Paul, and Mary, and illustrated by Christine Davenier.